In this video, I want to alert you to a really foolish move that anyone with any experience with a table saw will see for what it is at first. But if you're a complete beginner, you might be tempted to do this. And believe it or not, that's cutting on the table saw freehand. So no fence, no miter gauge, no nothing. I have seen people do this. I've seen this on professional construction sites where you've got a table saw, it's plunked down on the job, and someone who really doesn't know anything about a table saw is told, go and cut that plywood. And there they are, wrestling with the plywood with no support at all. They actually pull it off sometimes, but it's one of those things that could and will definitely will create a massive kickback in time, and it could end quite badly. Why? Well, without some support for the workpiece to stop it from rotating, it's very easy, if you're not perfectly steady with your hands, to have that workpiece in the middle of the saw cut rotate a little bit, catch the side of the blade, especially at the back, and then get flung forward. So it's a simple thing, but you really need to understand that at no time do you ever cut anything on a table saw without the workpiece being completely supported. And that support could come with the fence, like this, or it could come via a miter gauge or a crosscut sled or a tenoning jig or something like that. But a workpiece is always supported during a cut on a table saw.